Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what's in my backpack video for back to school and slash school supplies haul. Also, I'm rocking the ramen shirt. Let's see. Ramen noodles, because you know, college, ramen. Okay, so let's just jump right in. So, first things first, this is my new backpack. I actually just went ahead and purchased this weekend. It's one of the Karsyn. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So this is my Brita water bottle. It has like a little filter in it, and I'm going to be bringing this with me to school every day. But it doesn't fit in the side pocket, which kind of sucks. It's like pretty small side pocket. I guess I should have looked into that first. And this is like a pretty big water bottle, so it doesn't fit in there. But it does have like a little handle, so I'm going to go ahead and be carrying it anyways around. But I highly recommend you guys stay hydrated with a water bottle for back to school. But also the Brita one is really nice because sometimes like water fountains and stuff, if you're refilling your water bottle, like the water tastes kind of nasty, and the filter in here will help clean that and make everything taste good. So I highly recommend a Brita water bottle. You can get them from Target, Walmart, anywhere like that, and they have a bunch of different colors too. So this backpack only has 2 compartments. It just has like the little one up here, which I'll probably put some of my pens and stuff in, and my USB drive and my phone. I don't have my USB drive on me right now. It's in one of my other backpacks or somewhere around. So once I find that, that'll go in here along with my phone. So not tomorrow, but the next Monday school will be starting. Okay, so we're just going to jump into what's inside the main compartment. It looks like this right now. I just have everything still in the packaging. I need to go ahead and like unbox everything or open everything up and put it where it's going to be at. A lot of it, well not a lot, but some of this stuff I'm going to do like a separate bag of like clothes or things to change into if I want to go hang out with friends that I'll hopefully make soon. Or lucky games or just other school functions. So I'm going to do a separate bag for that, and some of this stuff will go in there. I haven't quite decided like how I want to organize everything yet, so for right now I just have it in here. So we're just going to get into the little things first, and then we're going to get into the basic like notebooks and stuff at the end, because this stuff is just like all right up front in here. So the first thing that I have is paper soap. I found this at Riley Rose. This one's in the scent strawberry, and I thought this would be a good idea because not all the bathrooms might have soap, or if they run out. First thing, paper soap. And again, I got that from Riley Rose. And then the next thing that I have is some Advil. I just got 10 tablets, just a little container. Does it really only have 10? Okay, I guess it only has 10 tablets, but you can refill it if you get like the big one for your house or something. But just in case I get a headache or anything, or like period cramps or something at school, then I can just have a couple of these and just have them on the go. These are also really good just having your purse and stuff in general, not just for school, but whatever. And then next we have a Tide to Go pen, and literally I need this at all times, and I just like remembered them because I spill stuff on me literally all the time. So you, again, like if you're gonna go out or do anything, or if you're just at school, like if you're wearing like a white t-shirt or something and you spill, have a Tide to Go pen on you. It's really good and handy. This one was $3.29 at Five Below. And now there's sirens and everything. The camera turned off and now there's sirens. We have a Lysol to Go spray, a little mini disinfectant spray. This one was also from Five Below. This one was also $3.29. Great just to disinfect germs, you know, public restrooms, anything like that. Good to have. So then I also have a Waterless by Gillette Venus little razor to take on the go. Shave anytime, anywhere. No water, no sink or shower needed. It has like lubricating gel, like a little applicator thing. I'm not sure how much it was. I'm going to assume around $2 or $3. I also got this from Five Below, but I know that you can get these at Target and Walmart as well. So then we're going to get more. That was just more of like the extra stuff that I personally know that I'm going to need. And this is more like, now we're like into the actual school supplies and stuff for my classes. So I have a mini stapler, a little taut swing line stapler. More sirens. Seriously. So I have this little mini stapler for papers or anything that I have to turn in. It comes with 1,000 staples and it's 12 sheet capacity, and it has a built-in stapler remover, so that's really nice. I got this from Target. I'm not sure how much this is. And then we have little Postit Flags that you can write on and stuff. I'm going to use these for my planner, because hopefully I'm going to actually write in my planner and be more organized this year, since I have a lot more going on. So these are good just for anything. I got these from Target. We have these cute little Vitapin highlighters. They're shaped like pills. Super cute. It's like 2 of each color, I think, was what comes in here. You get 10 highlighters, so I guess 5 different colors. 10 capsules, if you will. I got these from Riley Rose. They were $9, so that's not horrible for highlighters. And it comes in a super cute little, like, pill jar. Okay. And then we have some whiteout minis, like the correction tape. And I need this a lot, because a lot of my teachers, I don't know, just in general, but a lot of my teachers or professors, if you will, require people to write in pen in college, and I make a lot of mistakes. Like, I don't know why they won't just let me use an eraser. So I need a whiteout to correct my mistakes wherever. And then I have little mechanical pencils. These are awesome from Target. I need to get probably a couple wooden pencils too, but I typically use mechanical for everything. What is this? So I got this cute little card case. I got this from Riley Rose. This one was $6. It's just like a little card holder to put all their cards in, which I actually really need because I have a couple of cards already that are like just like tossed in my purse. So I need something to put them all in. So this is really good in business cards if somebody has a business, whatever. So yeah, this is really good to have. Visors or certain offices, like I know at SMU there's like Cox advising, and then there's like your pre-major advisors. Like there's a bunch of different people, and they have like a career center. So this is going to be really handy for me because there's going to be a lot of people that I'm going to meet, and I'm going to need to have their information. So yeah. And it's also people that you might not need their phone number and stuff after school, so you might not want to necessarily like add it to your contacts, but some people you can, or their emails and stuff are going to be on there. So this is really good just to have on you and to keep in your backpack. And then I got this little thing of all these like rainbow gel pens. Oh, they are scented. It literally says 24 count gel pen set, scented and swirl. So I'm just going to use these just for my personal notes, not for anything that I'm going to be turning in, because you know, I want to look profesh. Which also reminds me, I need to get black pens, black and blue pens, and red pens still. I haven't gotten any of those yet, and I don't know why. This just reminded me of that. So yeah, this is just really nice to have. Then I got, oh, and this is from Five Below. I think I already said that, but. And then this is my little 5-star little pen and pencil holder, so I'm going to try to organize everything and see like how many pens or pencils I can fit in here later. And my little highlighters, I got this from Five Below, and it's like the Need 5-star brand, and also it matches my backpack kind of, so that was also really nice. And I want to say that this was $5. It was either $3 or $5 from Five Below, and they had a bunch of different colors too. So yeah, this is really nice to have. So now we're getting into like the meat and potatoes of the backpack, all the essentials. So I have a little composition book. I have this decomposition book from Target. It's a celestial constellation themed little decomposition book. I'm not sure if there's any classes I specifically need one for yet. I haven't gotten my syllabi yet, so I'm not sure. But I know in high school and stuff there's some classes that you need composition books for, and other classes you can use spirals. Like some teachers don't care, but I went ahead and got one just in case, just so I can be prepared. And then I got this little Mead college ruled, for a second I thought it said what, college ruled notebook, 70-page count. This little notebook to have either this one. And then we have my cute little planner. It's star patterned on the front, super cute. I got this from Target. I'm not quite sure how much this one was, but it's super cute, and it's my planner, not just like a normal notebook, weekly, monthly planner. So it looks like this. So I'm going to try to be organized this year. So I have a three subject college ruled notebook. just got a 3-subject notebook, but I'm only taking 4 classes, but I have the other ones just in case. And some teachers are going to want me to do stuff on my computer too, so just got one of these. This is also from Target. And then I got folders. I got red and blue first because SMU, you know, it's my school. That's where I'm going. So red and blue is their colors. So I just got these little plain 5-star folders. Nothing too special. Got the pockets. Useful information on here. Just always good. I think that's actually really helpful. So, and then I got 2 more because I'm taking 4 classes, and I just got pink and yellow because why not? Because I didn't buy a binder because I'm not sure if I need one yet, because again I don't have my syllabi. But if I do need a binder, I can still. They just have like the little hole punches. You can see like these little things. So if I do need a binder, I can still use my folders in there, just in case, like multi-purpose. I don't know. And then lastly, I have my computer in here. This backpack does have a little thing for the computer. I have a MacBook Air, I believe. So mine's the 13-inch, but it does look like it fits the 15-inch. Like there's a little bit more room. So if you do have a 15-inch, it will fit. It'll be a tight squeeze, but this backpack does have a little spot for the computer. And I know for sure that I have to bring this to school because I'm in the business school, and one of the requirements for the business school at SMU Cox School of Business is you have to have a laptop that you can bring with you to classes. So I know I'm going to be having to lug this around all the time. And I do have my little hard case on here too, just because this is pretty thin. So if I were to drop my backpack, I need to make sure that I have something to protect this. So I don't recommend, if you don't have a case on your laptop, to just put it in here. That would be like kind of dangerous, and these are pretty expensive, so I don't recommend doing that. But I do have my little case. And I got this case from Amazon for like $5, $10, something like that. And it comes like with the back too to clip on. So yeah, that's basically it for what's in my backpack. And another big thing that I'm going to have in my backpack is my schedule. I have it on my phone, like I have a screenshot, but I am going to print off a paper copy of my school schedule because all the buildings and everything, it's like, I don't know. I obviously don't have it memorized, and I've only been up to SMU probably like 5 times, so I still have no idea where the heck I'm going. Like once I get somewhere, it's going to take me a while to figure out where to go. So another thing that I'm going to be keeping is a map of the school. I have one somewhere. So I'm going to be keeping a map of the school in my backpack at all times, especially for like the first couple weeks. So I will have my student ID and stuff like that, and I'll keep my keys in here. But that's basically it for the what's in my backpack. I'm trying to think of anything else that I'll need. I'll probably be like tossing snacks in here and stuff too. Or if you have like a meal card, definitely keep that in your backpack. Didn't include my backpack, which I am going to be bringing with me, is an extra charger and also my computer charger. For a fact, I'm going to have that with me at all times. And I also, this isn't like something to take with me to school, I got this lap desk thing. It comes in different colors. I just got white. I got this from Marshall's. I'm not sure like how much more they have left, but this was, I want to say, like $14 or $20, I believe. It wasn't super expensive, and it unfolds. I'm trying to see, like the edges like unfold, and then you like put it in front of you. I'm trying to show. So this part comes up. So, and then it has like a thing in the back. So, there's that. Good luck to everyone at school. Hopefully it's not super stressful. I'm really hoping that my semester is not super stressful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you guys would be interested to see what I'm doing outside of YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all at Karsyn Alexis. Again, thank you guys so much for watching.